How to make your Twitter account private. Making your Twitter account private is a fairly simple task. All you have to do for this is you can use the Twitter mobile app, or you can also go to x.com, formerly known as Twitter. Once you're here, just log into the account which you want to make it private. Once you've done that, on the left hand side, you want to simply go to the option that says more, as you can see. Once you go to more, here you can see other options as well, from where you want to simply go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you'll find the option called your account. On the right hand side, you can see a couple of options, but instead what we're going to do is we have to go to the option that says privacy and safety. Then when we go to privacy and safety, on the right hand side, you can see audience, media, and tagging. Just go to that option. And here you can see an option that says protect your post. So if you want to make your account private, you simply want to turn on this toggle that says protect your post, and also protect your videos if you want to. This way, when selected, your post and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. So if you remove them as a follower, or you do not accept them as a follower, they cannot view your account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.